Inqas sigurtà u iktar libertà ta' moviment, anke jekk il-Valletta Summit intemm l-attività Forti Sant Iermu beqgħet għaddejja u din id-darba fil-proċess ta' żarmar. Il-ġimgħa filgħodu fil-Forti Sant Iermu qatt ta' ħaddiema sebħu jżarmaw l-istrutturi li ntramaw għall-Valletta Summit. Fosthom is-sistemi ta' sigurtà, il-Media Center minn fejn id-dinja kienet marfa bl-avvenimenti storiċi f'pajjiżna, pjanti u ornamenti oħra u qatt ta' armar ieħor li kien kruċjali biex is-summit ikun suċċess loġistikament ukoll. Rajna wkoll tiżżarma il-mejda fil-Kamra f'dar il-Mediterran għall-konferenzi li madwarha ltaqgħu il-mexxejja miż-żewġ kontinenti u li madwarha ntlaħaq qbil storiku. Forsi wieħed jinnota kemm preparamenti saru għall-avveniment ta' inqas minn 48 siegħa, iżda żgur li l-investiment kien wieħed li ħalla l-frott mhux biss politiku, kien hemm ukoll l-impatt pożittiv fuq isem pajjiżna.
I think everything is very well organized. I didn't have any problem. All the staff, all the people are very friendly and very helpful. I've been to many similar events, but I think here is the best.
Okay, let me say that everything is okay.
The location is great. Space is cool, and I like it.
Well, everything was quite perfect. There was this really fast internet connection, which is really key for us journalists, that we have to send photographs and video and text and everything to our country.
Ix-xenarju tal-Port il-Kbir, il-Belt Valletta u Forti Sant Iermu nnifsu kienu biżżejjed biex iħajjarhom jerġgħu iżuru pajjiżna din id-darba għal xi btala.
Definitely I will come back here because I knew by history books and so on that this was a really beautiful place.
Malta is just a fairy tale sort of a place. I mean, I was going through the place today, and I will take more time after the conference is finished to go and see. I've been advised to go to the Medina to see Gozo.
Yes, it's my first time, but definitely not the last. I like it very much, and I consider it for my next vacation.
Fil-fatt kien hemm min madam x'jaħsibha wisq. Il-ġurnalist Mohammed Larbi Manane mill-Aġenzija European News Network għażel li jieħu jumejn lif u jgawdi ftit iktar lil pajjiżna.
2 days here especially for me and paid from my pockets because I want to discover the Iceland. In the official period, no way, just work, but after I must be changed and I go inside of Iceland to see the sea and the spa, everything.